Samantala, ang pagkain po ay isa sa mga basic necessities upang mabuhay ang isang tao. Kaya naman nabahala ang ilan ng matuklasang may maaring matagpuan genetically modified organism sa ilang pagkain sa Pilipinas, gaya po ng mais at dahil dito nagkaisang anti-GMO advocates upang maparating sa taong bayan ang panganib na dala nito sa kalusugan natin. Nagbabalik si Jackie Sai.
Mahalaga ang mapangalagaan ang kalusugan ng bawat mamamayan. Kaya naman isa sa mga binabantayan at madalas bigyang pansin ay ang kinakaing pagkain. Saan ito nabibili? Paano ito niluluto? Saan ito galing? Napag-alaman na ilan sa mga pagkain na ibinibenta sa atin ay may GMO o genetically modified organisms at mataas ang posibilidad na ang mga mais at soya ay naglalaman nito, lalo na kung ito ay nagmula sa ibang bansa. Kaya naman binahagi ni Executive Director, Institute for Responsible Technology Researcher and Anti-GMO Advocate Jeffrey Smith ang organismong kilala bilang Bacillus thuringiensis na kalat sa industriya ng mais sa ating bansa na maaaring magdulot ng ilang karamdaman sa tao.
Genetically engineered foods are foods where genes from bacteria and DNA are forced into the crop. They do it in some cases so that the crop, like corn, produces its own toxic insecticide that breaks open the stomach of insects to kill them. And it's now known that that same toxin, corn grown in the Philippines, can break open little holes in human cells and actually enter the bloodstream of pregnant women, of their unborn fetuses, and might be causing damage to cells and to our digestive tract. The other reason they genetically engineer is to allow the crops to be sprayed with a toxic weed killer, mostly Roundup weed killer. And Roundup then gets absorbed into these foods like soybeans. We eat the soybeans, we eat the Roundup, and that's linked to cancer, endocrine disruption and reproductive disorders, as well as potentially Parkinson's and other diseases and disorders that are on the rise in the U.S. population since GMOs were introduced in 1996. It is not easy to tell which food is genetically engineered in the Philippines or in the United States because labeling is not required. The GMOs are not bigger, they're not more nutritious, they're not different in any way that you can see visually the ones on the market. So you can't tell by looking at a GMO whether it's genetically engineered or not.
Pinaglalaban rin ni Dr. Angelina Galang ang karapatan sa kaalaman ng tao ukol sa pagkain na kanilang binibili upang mapanatili ang magandang kalusugan ng mga kababayan.
They are sick. They will try anything. They will take anything to get them well because this is their last option. But with food, this should not be our last option. We have so many options. The Philippines is such a biodiverse country. We have all kinds of plants and animals to eat, natural, safe. Why do we have to eat a high technology produced food? Well, the health is the most important, no? Because we are all consumers. We all eat. And of course, what we want to eat is safe. Should be safe.
Paalala sa ating mga mamimili. Alamin kung saan galing ang mga pagkain na binibili upang mapangalagaan at mapag-ingatan ang kalusugan. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Jackie Sai.